How to save seeds at home. Saving seeds at home is one of the most rewarding gardening habits, connecting you to the ancient cycle of growth, harvest, and renewal. Instead of buying new packets every season, you can collect seeds from your own healthy plants and use them again, creating a self-sustaining garden. The process begins with choosing strong and disease-free plants, because the seeds you save carry the qualities of the parent plant. Allow fruits or vegetables like tomatoes, chilies, or beans to ripen fully before collecting their seeds. For flowers, wait until the blooms dry and the seed heads mature, then gently gather them. Once collected, seeds should be cleaned, dried properly, and stored in paper envelopes or glass jars in a cool, dry place. Labeling them with the plant name and date ensures you always know what you have for the next season. Some seeds, like those of cucumbers or tomatoes, may need fermentation before drying, while others, like peas and beans, are simpler to save. Over time, seed saving helps your plants adapt better to your local climate and soil. It is an act of independence and sustainability, keeping your garden alive year after year, while also carrying forward the natural heritage of each plant. With every seed you save, you are not only storing food and beauty for the future, but also preserving a piece of nature's cycle within your own hands.